So hey guys, welcome back and welcome back to my new fresh video guys. So today in this video we are going to see all about the types of the data can Power BI connect to, and what type of the Power BI dashboard, and what is the Power Query editor, and everything we are going to cover all about the Power BI. So if you're new to the channel guys, please like, share and subscribe our video, and let's see about the Power BI. Okay, so yeah, if we talk about what type of the data can Power BI connect to, okay, so basically the Power BI connect to a wide range of data sources. Like this includes traditional database like example SQL Server, as well as MySQL, as well as the Oracle. Okay, and online services like the Google Analytics and Salesforce and SharePoint, cloud platforms like the Azure, AWS, and files like the Excel, CSV, as well as JSON. Okay, so these are the databases which can the Power BI connect. Okay, so yeah, if we talk about what is the Power BI dashboard, yeah, so basically a Power BI dashboard is a single page interactive view that displays key information as well as the insights from one or many reports. It usually contains visualize like example charts, KPIs, maps and cards, as well as the dashboards. Okay, dashboards are used for quick high level overviews and are only available in the Power BI service only. Okay, so if we talk about what is the Power BI query editor, okay, yeah, Power Query editor is a tool inside Power BI that let you connect a data source which cleans and transform the data before loading it into your report. Okay, so yeah, you can remove columns as well as you can filter the rows, merge tables and more. Okay, so all without writing a single code. This is possible now using the Power BI. Okay, so here you can understand that what the powerful tool is the Power BI. So without any single code, here you can do the all the type of the things, and just that's it. We have shown all about the Power BI connects to the databases like SQL Server, etc., and the what is meant by the dashboard and what is the query editor. Everything we have shown all over the Power BI. So if you're new to the channel guys, please like, share and subscribe our video, and let's see you in the next video guys.